Okay, so hey, what's up guys? This is your friend Captain Diaz. I'm back with another weekly tech updates, and this is the part, or you can say episode 48 of it. And in today's weekly tech updates, we got some big news from three of the flagship companies, and we gotta talk about each and every of them. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. Let's start off with the Huawei. And Huawei Pocket S is coming, and this is a kind of a say the successor of the Pocket 50, the flippable smartphone of the Huawei. If you want to know about it, links are in the description. And this is an upcoming smartphone launching by the November 2nd, and it is saying that there will be a big upgrades in the internals and not in the externals. Internals also include the hinge and the designs, not the designs. I design something external. So yeah, only the hinge gonna be has for me upgrading. The cameras might be tweaking up a lot, and let's see how they does. Huawei is suing Amazon. Why? Because of the e-ink tablet patents. Tablets means that e-ink Kindles, which we all know from the Amazon, has some of the issues regarding the Huawei's patent and stuff. So they are suing them, and let's see how much time it's gonna be taking for a proper reason what is going on. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the S22 series is completely receiving the Android 13 based of One UI 5. So if you are using one of those devices, you can now shift to the Android 13 because it has some of the cool upgrades in it, and it is looking nice. Also, a complete timeline of the One UI 5 supported device has been seen around, and also you can say completely got revealed, and it is telling that the M12 is also there in the list. M12 is a really okay type of smartphone. The Android 11 out of the box, and it is receiving in the 2023. So yeah, if you are using the M12, yes, you are going to receive that Android 13 based on UI 5. Samsung's US week has been started, and the one of the biggest thing which they have teased over there is the memory swap for the S22 series. So if you are using one of it, you can go and swap the memory for free, literally for free. And there are many different types of stuff they have teased up, and that is going on, so you can go and do whatever you want to do or the Samsung week in US. Now this is the one of the coolest thing as for me from the Samsung teased up the maintenance mode in the past, and now it is official, and it can block the when you give the phone to other for servicing. That is a kind of a concern in your head that hey, it might be taking out some of my information from the phone, but now with the maintenance mode you can block that the service person can't see, basically they don't do stuff like that. But if you have a concern, you can be clear with this maintenance mode, which is really nice thing. OnePlus Nord N300 has got official with a Snapdragon MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset and a 33 watt power adapter inside the box. The phone has a OnePlus typical design going on with the Nord N series. So yeah, it's kind of a okay type of phone, but OnePlus is doing nowadays ups and downs. So yeah, let's see. A OnePlus 11, or you can say the Pro version. This phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which we all know. But the main another stuff which this phone will be having is the cameras. The cameras will be changed with a 108 megapixel plus 60 megapixel, or you can say the 50 megapixel might be coming up, and a 30 megapixel sensor will be there. So it is telling that the triple camera setup and followed by a really different type of design will be seen on this phone as per some rules. A Vivo X90 series is coming up, and the company has officially teased the cameras and the cameras upgrade which they are going to be going on for this phone, and even the camera samples they have shown around with the event, and the V2 chip is coming by the time. Let's see how it does. And also the X90 series, not the 90 series, the X90 basically will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200, and inside the box you will be getting is a 120 watt of power adapter. Yes. Sony Xperia Ace 4 is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 and a 5.5 inches of display. And this might be a kind of a budget based affordable range smartphone from the Sony, and due to 4 Gen 1 and a 5.5 inch, it is kind of a compact and gonna be powerful in the cameras. I can tell it because Sony has done a tremendous job presenting their cameras. Apple's subscription, which is Apple One, Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, has slightly changed their pricing and gone up. It's kind of offside they have done, and it is telling that by the time it also in the December there will be a kind of a sneak hike going in their price. I don't know why it is happening, but yeah, let's see. Samsung has not a Samsung, Apple has completely paused the advertisement of the gambling apps on the go. So if you open the app store, there might be a gambling app coming up, but now it won't be coming up. And due to some strict in-laws going on with the Apple, and they are redesigning their laws regarding the gambling apps as per some rumors. Apple's iOS, or you can say the OS update, has been completely got unveiled with the iOS 16.1, iPadOS 16.1, tvOS 16.1 has also official, and watchOS 9.1 has also gone official. So yeah, if you are using any of the supported devices, you can definitely go and upgrade it. iPad with a 16-inch of display is going to be coming. Now you might be thinking the iPad Pro just came out. It's a 2023 thing going to be coming, and by the Q4 of 2023 it is said that this iPad will be launching. So let's see. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 series has got officially unveiled. There are cool smartphones in this, and you know what the crazy about this series, that there is a headphone jack. Really nice thing. And talking about the smartphones, the cameras are kind of upgrading the wide lens basically, but the secondary, or you can say the third sensor on many of the devices except one, isn't upgrading with the 8+2. Really awesome thing. Xiaomi Book Air has got officially unveiled with a 13-inch of display and the two options for the processor i5 and i7, which are based upon the 12th generation. And talking of which, it is also having the OLED display of 13-inch. Pixel 7. The smartphone has got officially reached by the Amazon with a question mark. Kind of say this phone also has some of its own leaks also. It will be having the Tensor G2 and a camera upgrade. Also, the display will be upgraded as per some rumors. So let's see. If the 120 Hz, no, the 90 Hz might be coming up with the adaptive refresh rate and stuff like that. If you are using the Google Payment app in India, then you might have seen that whenever you go and use your Android smartphone, it directly directs you to the Google Pay. And Apple has fined, not Apple, India has fined a $113 million for that type of stuff for restricting the third-party payments. Yes. Motorola's Razr 2022 has officially got unveiled for the global market, followed by this is a normal end smartphone as it was launched in China. It is launching in global market. Simple as that. Talking of the another smartphone from the Motorola, this is a Motorola G Play 2022 with the G37. It is going to be coming really soon. And there is another smartphone with a stylus support, Motorola Geneva or something like that. It is named with a stylus, and the T's poster also supports the stylus. And it might not be coming in India, so let's see how it does. If it comes, let's see what pricing it comes in. On November 10th, there will be another smartphone coming with the Realme. And this is the Realme 10 series. There will be a 4G version and also a 5G version smartphones too. And it is having a typical style of design, one camera and another circle in another camera, making it look like the Asus Zenfone 9 mostly. And talking of which, the 4G version will be featuring the AMOLED display, and kind of say it will be having a water drop notch too as per some rumors, so it is offside thing. Also, by the time, as for me, the I and the R will be coming on this series, Realme 10i and Realme 10R. Let's see if it's become true, because there are some small rumors regarding the Realme 10i too with the G95, or you can say also the G85 is expected. Microsoft brings a Windows kind of say style designed on their Microsoft Surface Duos, both of the Duos with the Android 12L update, and the design has got officially got changed on the devices, and it looks a kind of a tweaked out more into the Windows stylish design. So yeah, if you are using one and wanted to spice up your experience some more, make sure you update it. Now let's talk about some of the reports. Samsung's firstly. Samsung's market has got declined by 24% due to undesigned ups and downs going on, and also due to some of the problems regarding the global market. Also, the Apple is kind of leading and becoming a bigger and bigger regarding the Chinese comparison. Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus, and their market is going up with a 36% each. And it is said by the 2023 from the Kenley's report, which I'm talking for the Apple. The market will be as usual, and by 2023 we might see a small sneak up in the market ratio if it goes as per their plan. BOE's MLED display, and this is a kind of a really nice technology here for me, with a transparency of 65%. It is really nice thing. It might be coming up to the AR and VR glasses as per some rumors, and as per my things. So let's see how it goes. Nothing ear stick, and this TWS got officially announced with a 29 hours of battery life, which is really nice thing. And it is a sticker type of design with a transparent look, and also that black color is going to be coming soon. And yeah, talking about the Nothing Phone 1 updates, the brightness update has been officially got on the phone, so you can now sneak to the maximum brightness without any problem. Many devices weren't able to go with the maximum brightness. And also, the Nothing Phone 1 now supports in India Jio 5G. So if you have used if you are using one in India, make sure you update it because it's nice. 5G basically. So yeah, those were some of the big updates by this complete week. And personally speaking, I am excited for a 16-inch of iPad, because as per me, 12.9 inch will be becoming the 11 inches, and 11 inches will be going out. So it might be like that. And the maintenance mode is a really nice thing. I don't know which of the devices are supporting it, but it's nice to see something really good, and might be coming to the iOS soon too. The iOS 17 might be. So yeah, those were some of the big updates from this complete week. For more amazing content and wanted to get updated with weekly tech updates like this, make sure you press the bell icon, and like and subscribe. As usual, gonna be appreciating our work, and sharing to those who wanted to get updated. It's gonna be nicer for you and for them too. Yeah, this was Captain India's. You're watching Chaos India's. Like, share, subscribe. Gonna be appreciating. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected, stay safe, stay. My throat is completely gone by the time. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.